Hey everybody, welcome to Ellis Mowers. This is just going to be kind of a one-take video. Had a couple questions about some of my videos because it is now December, almost Christmas time, and just want to say Merry Christmas to everybody first off. 2020 has been an interesting year for a lot of people, so something to celebrate around this time of year is very welcome, and I think a lot of us are looking forward to 2021. I am. A lot of good things, also a lot of challenges during 2020. So let me get that out of the way and answer this question that I've made the title of the video. Why am I wearing shorts and t-shirt in the month of December? I live in North Carolina. I'm not wearing them now, obviously, but in the videos that I've got every Wednesday and Sunday at 8, I do. And the reason why, and y'all kind of I've hinted at it. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I really, breaking news, haven't been working on lawnmowers much the past 2 to 3 months. I had a decision, or had to decide. I had so much content that I filmed back in March, April, May, June, July. I said, do I, as the channel continued to grow, we're almost at 2,400 subscribers now, which is amazing. Doubled the channel in a year, which is really cool. What I decided to do was one of two things. I said, I can give my viewers a consistent video schedule and they see me fix things twice a week, or I just inundate them with a bunch of videos in the summertime, and then fall and winter, since I don't have any snow blowers or anything like that that I need to fix around here, because we only get snow maybe a couple times a year. Nobody really owns a snowblower. I have one little bitty Craftsman single stage that somebody gave me in a trade deal at one point. So I said, well, I'm not going to inundate them with a bunch of content and then leave them dry for the 2 to 3 months that I'm probably not going to be working on anything in the garage, hardly. Y'all saw the generator I fixed last week. So the reason why, that's the reason, is because a lot of this stuff was filmed back when the warmer weather was occurring. I don't have a problem telling y'all that because I know y'all are welcoming to that. And the reason why I decided to, just do the 2 videos a week is so that y'all continually had some consistent content while I worked on other things, which I'm going to show you in this video. A lot of people have asked about the house as well, how everything's going. I'm sitting here in the living room now. So this room got finished back in the summer of 2019, so about a year and a half ago. I'm about 2.5 years into the house and renovating the entire thing. So let me pop up. I've got pictures and everything here. Like I said, it's going to be a little rough. I'm going to do this all in one take for you. So let me get y'all right here. So hopefully we'll be able to give y'all a front row seat of everything that I have been doing here as of late without much glare or anything. Pardon, it's going to be a little bit on the tilted side just because of the way that I've got the tripod. So the current project I'll show you, and I need to give you some context to start, is the second bathroom. I've already done the master bedroom, master bathroom, living room, dining room, garage, and porch. Yeah, I can show y'all real quickly what the garage looked like before we started here. And as you can see, no lights. It was all old not recessed lighting, but just old fluorescents that had been blown out, ballast gone. And then that was after we put the lights in. And y'all see what that is every day, essentially. I pressure washed the entire garage. That was not oddly enough, but man's got to have his garage, right? A couple other things I'll show you real quick is the porch. I'm not going to give you a tour of that. Y'all kind of see it in the video as well whenever I'm pointing at the house. It used to be just like a sun porch, and then I have moved it, or tore it apart. It was a poorly done job, whoever did it, and termites had pretty much infested the plywood there, as you can see, kind of right there and right there. So there's really not much structure holding it up, as well as the post. Only a couple good posts there, and then obviously y'all saw when we finish it, that's the finished product of the porch. So it's a nice screened-in porch now. Wanted to show you all that. Those are the two things I'm not going to show you in this house tour. But the first thing I'm going to show you is what's in progress, which is the second bathroom. And I won't show you the pictures of the after. I'll show you the visuals of the after. How about that? So this was the original. This was kind of an addition. So this wall right here was added. And this area right here, where the laundry and stuff used to be part of the third bedroom, which is what I'm currently working on. And I'll show you the original to that. So this is the original of the third bedroom I'm about to show you. And let me see if I can show you. So there's the wall that separated the bathroom and the bedroom. This was an addition. This bedroom used to actually go all the way back and had 2 closets on each side of it, here on this side of the bedroom, and then it had a window right here. They moved the laundry up from the basement area up to the main floor, and that's what they decided to do. Let me give you an example of what the other side of the bathroom looked like. So just a bunch of like old tile window, kind of an interesting transition here. It had a linoleum floor on the bottom of it, and so we had a lot going on. I will show you the photos of me tearing it out. So that's actually putting it together. Sorry, let me show you this. So this is it, basically all torn out. And the wall, what I have done is open up the wall here, and I basically reconfigured the entire layout of the bathroom and the third or the rear bedroom. Did a bunch of electrical work, drywall work, and all that good stuff. I'm almost done. I'm waiting for the painter's putty to dry so that I can paint the trim. This is more of what I had to do. Weaving in hardwood floors because I had some water damage, and then there was that closet there that y'all saw in that other picture that I took completely out. And so I decided to make it bigger and make it a walk-in closet, which I'll show you in just a second. So that was the whole second bathroom. This is looking from the rear of the third bedroom into the bedroom and into the bathroom. It was kind of a strange sight to not have any walls back there. That wall was not load bearing, the one that I took out, nor was the one for the closet. There used to be a second closet kind of right around this area where that washing machine is. You can kind of see it by where they had the posts and whatnot, where they had the second closet mocked up where it used to be before they did the renovation. So now it's in progress, but I'll show you where I'm at now. So let's take a walk, and I'll show you the rest of the house real quick as well, and give you try and make it under 20 minutes so that YouTube doesn't split the clip off. So I'll start in the bathroom here. So the bathroom is completely different. And remember, this is something I've really been working on ever since I did the demo in March and really started hammering down on it in September. My dad's a very skilled carpenter. He used to do trim work, and also knows enough to do things like install a bathtub, install a vanity, install a toilet. That's kind of where my knowledge is a little fuzzy, but I did myself with my fiance, built all the walls, did all the drywall, and all of the electrical that I've routed through here. So that's something that I was able to accomplish myself. Lighting as well. Lowe's and Home Depot clearance are amazing, I'll say that much. So there's still some trim work left to do in here. This bathroom is functional at this point. Washer and dryer used to be, let me give you a perspective. So that first picture I showed you, where it used to be just a big wall and the washer and dryer were stacked side by side right here. We were able to turn them 90 degrees. They were able to fit like this. There was really no other good place to put them in the house apart from in this bathroom. I don't know how well it shows up on camera, but once I push these back, there's still plenty of space for me to say walking into the washing machine over here. Gonna add, there was no ventilation whatsoever, so that's a hole for a climate control vent. Pulling off of the system. Added a fan. That was actually where a light used to be. Isolated the switches from this light to the fan, joined the fan and this light up here. So again, tub is in, tile is in, you can kind of see it down there. New frosted window to get rid of that old wooden window, and the insulation difference is amazing. So we also are doing the finishing touches of putting a pocket door in instead of a regular door that opened outward. And also we extended this door to be a 32-inch door instead of a 28-inch door, which allows us to get the dryer and the washing machine in without having to take them completely apart. So that allows for easy access of bringing the washer and the dryer into the bathroom whenever you have to change out appliances or whatever. So let's move to the back bedroom. Like I said, I'm waiting on this painter's putty to dry here. Ooh, I don't have any on that because that was like the existing door frame. I'm just waiting for this painter's putty to dry. So this is the bedroom. Again, one other thing we've had to do throughout the entire house is this used to have baseboard, water-fed baseboard heat that they had upgraded to a gas pack a few years before I moved in. So all these walls had to be covered up, and I got like $150 something worth of tin that I was able to, or not tin, but like copper and whatnot. So looking from the back, this is where the wall used to be, and it used to go all the way across. So what I did is I reclaimed the little nook area right here, and then added this walk-in closet. Still got to do the finishing touches to it, but I added this closet so that it's longer than it was, and I'm able to walk into it. Added a fixture in here for a separated light with a switch. Separated, I already had a hole in the ceiling basically from a second kitchen fixture. I isolated that fixture and put it on a switch right here, and then kept the ceiling fan. That's actually the ceiling fan that was here when I started working on the bedroom. So added baseboard in here, crown molding. My dad did all of that. So painted it blue. It's the same color as the master bedroom. Really quickly, what has I got? 13 minutes here. I got about 7 minutes. I want to show you the rest of it. Still need to refinish the floors. I'm going to have that done. My dad and I did it ourselves last time, and it was that's just something that you farm out to the professionals who have the right equipment and can just come in here and knock it out. So living room, again, hallways in progress. Den and kitchen are still going to need to be worked on. That's 2021. So let's pop in here. I'll show you a couple of shots of the yard whenever I started, and then we're gonna look in the rest of the house real quick. So the yard, very quickly, when I first started here, very jungle type looking, very jungle type looking. The grass actually had crept to about 4 or 5 feet past the basketball goal, which I had to dig out. So that was kind of crazy. Within the first month, I was able to really, y'all see what the yard looks like now. I trimmed back the bushes and had to do a bunch of work because I have a lot of pine straw here. So since we're in the den, actually we're not in the den, we're in the living room, aren't we? Let me show you this. So this is the dining room area. It used to have a bunch of carpet. You see it has a bunch of hardwood now. Dining room still. This is the room I'm currently in. So give a perspective of this. Carpet and fireplace and everything. And I'm going to pull back and give that to you one more time. You see the baseboard heat on the side. I'm going to give you a little bit of look back at what we have now. This is the dining room. Replace the fixture, floors, table. got the Christmas stuff up, so it's a little bit more cramped in here than I would like. But if you look down this way, this is what this looks like now. Totally different. You got the fireplace, got the TV on top of the fireplace and all that good stuff. So, and obviously the baseboard heat is gone. We've had to replace quite a few windows throughout the house. Replace basically all the light fixtures, going with the brushed nickel look. Again, I'm just showing you all this just to show you that I don't work on lawnmowers every day, and this is why you're seeing me in shorts and a t-shirt on my videos here for the next month or two as I finish this up. So that's, again, living and dining room. Didn't have to do any crazy layout in here. Master bedroom kind of started out like this. The wood was there, had a bunch of wax on it though. Changed out the door hardware, added crown molding and stuff along those lines. Pretty large, had to change out the windows as well. And so let me show you, you can see where we kind of had to mend up the wall over there. And let me show you real quickly as well. I'll show you the master bathroom while I am in there. So that was the original master bathroom right there. Big vanity, big, or you know, didn't seem like there was a lot of space in there. It's not a huge bathroom as it is. Plastic tile, believe it or not. That was the first. This is the first room we did. We finished this near the end of 2018. I think I got some pictures of where it was gutted here somewhere. So yeah, we basically gutted it down to the studs within the first month I was here, and then redid it. So let me show you the finished product of both very quickly. Hope y'all are enjoying this. I just kind of wanted to show y'all what we've been going on. I never really make my bed, but as you can see, the floors continue throughout. This was the old floor that was under carpet, believe it or not. The wood they kept in the bedrooms, they just had a bunch of layers of wax on them, and so the floors had to be refinished and whatnot. I redid the closets as well just to freshen it up. So, and here's the bedroom, again painted the same color as that rear bedroom with crown molding, new windows, refinished floors. So the bathroom painted gray. Again, this is the first one we did, first renovation project that we finished here, right? So painted gray, did a tile wall here with the glass door. Looks really good. Smaller crown molding in here. I was really happy when I had this bathroom done. I actually had a nice bathroom to shower in. So I'll wrap this up. And like I said, kitchen and den are still to be done, but that's what I've been doing. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all are still enjoying the videos that I am putting out. So today's Tuesday. I just finished the Husqvarna up that I did the Kohler to the Briggs swap on, and I'm about to start on a Craftsman that was trade-in for the Husqvarna. That ended up being an easy fix. Bunch more riding mowers and push mowers come up during the winter. I'm going to be back in the garage here in probably about 2 or 3 weeks giving y'all some more content. I still have to do the second bedroom. Got a couple other non-mower related videos in line, but I hope y'all continue to watch. Thank you for all the support this year, and hope everybody has a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.